Hello all, welcome back to the TheinSites YouTube channel. Today I am going to share another 10 hot jobs for data science and data analyst roles. So today I am going to share jobs from companies like Wells Fargo, Flex, and many other organizations which are hiring for data science roles. And many roles will be for freshers, many will be for experienced candidates also. So let's begin our video. Okay. So I have already talked about TheinSites. TheinSites is my YouTube channel, as well as it is a LinkedIn page where I keep on sharing new job updates regarding these data science and data analyst job roles. So you all can go and visit that page to get daily job updates from that LinkedIn page. So now let's talk about today's job updates. So the first one is from Sutherland. Sutherland is hiring for Power BI developer. As you can see here, 2 to 4 years of experience is needed. And if we go to the link, we will land in this page. So they're hiring for Power BI dashboard developer. It is in Chennai, and the job has been published a long ago, but I have been informed that this role is open now and candidates are being hired for this role. And here is the company description. You can see, you can go through it. Now the job description. So the requirements are analyze the business requirements by collaborating with stakeholders and IT management, studying system flow, data uses, work processes across O2C, P2P, R2R, and FP&A, design and develop architectural solutions in Power Platform, that is Power Automate, Azure, and Microsoft 365. So if you people are having experience in Power Platform for about 2 to 4 years, then you can definitely apply for this. Experience to build the Power Automate flows to solve business manual and repetitive work. Experience in developing and delivering MS 365 solutions based on Microsoft and cloud-based practices. So as you can see here, the languages like Java, Python are important for this. And the qualifications they are looking for 2 to 4 years of experience with a strong educational background, proficiency in Power Platform suites, as we have already discussed, BI, Automate, apps, and AI Builder. SQL must have, advanced Excel. So you can just apply through this link, but before that, it is definitely suggested to search for a referral. If you are not getting a referral, then definitely apply through this link only. We are going to our next job update, which is from NatWest group. So NatWest is hiring for data analyst role. 1 to 3 years of experience is needed. And let me tell you, this is not for freshers. This is for 1 to 3 years of experience only. So freshers are not suggested to apply for this role. Many roles are coming for you also, so stay tuned in this video. So going to the link, here is the role, data analyst. The location is Chennai, India only, and the job has been posted on 4th January only, and it is going to be expired on 18th of January. So please apply ASAP, try for a referral as quickly as possible. If you are not getting any, just apply through this link. So we are going to the job description. It is remote, flexible working, and join as a data analyst. So what you will do in this role, you will be utilizing your in-depth understanding of interrelationships of data and multiple data domains to develop and perform standard queries to identify data inconsistencies and preserve data quality. So basically it is all about working with data to data cleansing, data collecting and maintaining the data, all those data manipulating, you can say. And you will also be responsible for completing all mandatory training, accreditation, collecting, profiling, mapping appropriate data to use, identifying, documenting data migration paths. So all these are included. And you should have some background in AWS based services like EMR, S3, Athena, SageMaker. So that is why I have told you that this role is not for freshers. At least 1 to 3 years of experience is needed, and understanding of interrelationships of data and multiple data domains, as we have told. So knowledge of Python and SQL as basic requirements. So let's go to our next opportunity, which is from Victoria's Secret, analyst or associate analyst in customer analytics domain. Here 1 to 3 years of experience is needed, but freshers are suggested to apply for this role. As I have already heard that the role for associate analyst is also open. In the website, if you check, the role is open for analyst customer analytics, but I have been informed that associate analyst role is also open. So you can just go in LinkedIn, search for any employee and ask them to give a referral for that associate analyst or this analyst role. Okay. So this is a position of analyst in customer marketing team. So here is the position overview. You should go through it, and job responsibilities, you can say deliver data and insights reporting requirements originating from enterprise-wise brands. Use SAS, SQL, Python, Excel. These are very basic. You should have these skills and hands-on experience. Stay current with business results, strategies, industry standards, and best practices. So the qualifications they are looking for: bachelor's degree in science, engineering, and computer applications. Here it is written mandatory 2+ years of experience, but as I have already told, I got the information that associate analyst role is also open, which is for freshers. So definitely 1 to 3 years of experience people and also freshers are suggested to apply for this role. So SAS, SQL, Python, R, Excel, VBA, PowerPoint, these are important. Insights, reports using macros, SAS, Excel, VBA. These are important. Experience in working with large relational databases in Teradata. These kind of experiences, if you have, this will be definitely preferred. So now let's go to our next job update, which is from Datacrew.ai. So Datacrew.ai is a growing startup. Here, business intelligence engineer as well as data analytics intern roles are open. Both of them are for freshers as well as experienced candidates up to 2 years. Now, obviously, experienced candidates won't apply for a data analytics intern. So this is for complete freshers and this is for experienced candidates. So let us go to the link. So they are hiring through Insta Hire only. So you can apply directly from Insta Hire, or if you know anyone, if you have any connection to data, any employee of Datacrew.ai, you can just go to him or her and ask for a referral. So the requirements are Power BI, SQL, Tableau. As you can see, the roles are data analysis or business intelligence. You can just read out these responsibilities. So the basic requirements I have already talked about: SQL, PL/SQL, MS SQL, MySQL. These ETL technologies will be important if you have BI tools, Power BI or Tableau, and cloud experience in Azure or AWS is preferred. So you can go through it and apply accordingly. After that, we are going to the data analytics intern in the same company, Datacrew.ai. They are hiring for freshers. So the basic requirements are Power BI, Python, SQL, Tableau. Obviously, you can apply if you know either Power BI or Tableau. That will not be a problem. Proficient in SQL, Python, Power BI, Tableau, as I have already told. Okay, so going to our sixth job update, which is from Flex. So Flex is hiring for senior analyst data analytics. It is written senior analyst data analytics, but the experience is needed, 1 to 3 years of experience. So this job is actually published in Workday, but the Workday link is not working somehow. Now this job has also been posted in LinkedIn. Here, as you can see, senior analyst data analytics, Chennai. The location is Chennai. This is an entry level role and you can get the details here. So about the job, you can see to support our extraordinary teams, we build great products, contribute to growth. So you can go through these. And these are the experience you needed. So degree in mathematics, computer science, information systems or related field, 1 to 3 years of experience on MS SQL Server or MySQL will be okay. Strong knowledge in data structure, system design, algorithms, knowledge of multiple programming languages. As you can see, C has or C Sharp, Java, Python, full stack developer. C has .NET, BI tools, MIS. These will be the skills you need, and this will be the benefits. All is mentioned here, so you can go through it. If the link is working, you can click on the apply button and go to the Workday page. You can apply through that. If it is not working, you can go to any employee. As you can see here, I have two connections, two schools, two school alumni. So you can just go to these people and ask for referrals like this. If you have any connection, if you don't have any connection, please send connection request to the employees and try to get a referral at least. Now we are going to our next update, which is from Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo is hiring for data management analyst and 2+ years of experience. So this is a role for experienced candidates. Now we are straight going to the website. So here is the website, Wells Fargo hiring for data management data management analyst, sorry. And the job has been uploaded on 13th January 2023 only, so it is very, very new. And Wells Fargo is seeking a data management analysis. What you will do, you can just go through all these. This will be very basic and you will definitely have the experience. So 2+ years of data management, business analysis, analytics, project management experience, everything will be okay. Experience in data management, business analysis, as it is written there also. So desired qualifications: language, advanced SQL, SAS, base and advanced BI tools, Tableau or Power BI. Alteryx is also important. ESS base, Smart View, Excel, VBA, everything will work. Big data, Azure, AWS cloud experience should be there, and RDBMS. And job expectations: experience in working, supporting on building data marts, data lakes, and knowledge of Python and R is also expected. So the next role we are going to talk about is from ContinuServe, which is hiring for process associate data analyst C078 role. This is also for 1 to 3 years of experienced candidates, and I'm requesting all the freshers also to apply for this role in ContinuServe. So you are going to the site. So here the role is mentioned: process associate data analyst C078. Work type is full-time. Shift is 12:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So if you are okay with this shift, you can definitely go ahead and apply. Try for a referral. 1 to 3 years of experience is needed. Strictly only 15 days joiners. So 15 days joiners only apply for these roles. So who are either applying as immediate joiners or who are serving the notice period and 15 days are left, definitely you can go ahead and apply. Try for a referral. So all the responsibilities you can go through from here. The qualifications, the need: bachelor's degree, relevant analytical coursework, 1 to 2 years of relevant work experience. So experience in healthcare data, particularly pharmacy claims, is a plus. SQL query writing is mandate. Advanced Excel skills is a plus. Experience reporting on analytic result, presenting findings to non-technical audiences, that is also important. And fluency in English, demonstrated project planning or time management ability is also important. So you can submit your application, apply with your resume. You can fill this form and apply directly from here, or you can try for a referral. Now we're going to our next update, which is from Nike. So Nike is hiring for data engineer ED and A role. So 2+ years of experience is needed. Again, this is for experienced candidates. So going to the website, let's see data engineer ED and A. So you can see here about the role. You can go through all these, what you will work on: design and build simple, non-complex, reusable components of larger process or framework to support analytical products, design and implement product features in collaboration with business and technology stakeholders, clean and prepare optimized data at scale for ingestion and consumption. Now, who will you work with? You will be reporting to the engineering manager. You will work with product manager, sorry. So you can go through all these and what you bring, what they are expecting actually. 2+ years of experience, as you can see in data and analytics, Cell, Python experience with relational SQL, GitHub related dev process. Also, you should have some experience with workflow scheduling tools such as Airflow, uh, and also some experience in AWS, EMR, S3, Hive, Spark is preferred. So Nike is an awesome company. You can definitely apply for it if you are having a relevant experience. Now Citco Group. Citco Group is also hiring for Python developer role. So the name is Python developer, but they are looking for someone who is having analytics experience. So we will go to the link and we will check. So here we are at the link. They are hiring for Python developer. The location is Pune, India. It has explained everything. You will participate in Scrum stand-up meetings, backlog grooming sessions, so development of new features, functionality, including production of unit tests. Everything is written. And what are the key competencies you should have: adaptability, technical knowledge, quality, risk management, problem solving, communication, as you can see. And about you: 1 to 2 years of experience in Python programming, exceptional communication skills, both written and oral, highly proficient in Python, Bash, shell scripting, able to write complex SQL queries, stored procedures, as you can see. So Tableau, ClickView, or Power BI experience is needed. Familiar with cloud infrastructure in AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. So these are all assets, means these are actually preferred qualifications. You need not have it mandatorily, but if you are having these, you will definitely be preferred over other candidates. Understanding of benefits of business process management, machine learning, robotic process automation, familiar with robotic process automation, NLP, ML, knowledge of Jira and Confluence, these are needed, and the benefits are also mentioned. So definitely you should try for a referral. Try for a referral at least for a couple of days, and then if you are not getting any, you can apply directly from the link. So we are at the end of our video. We have explained 10 opportunities today, some of our freshers, some of our experienced candidates. So I would request everyone to watch this video and apply as quickly as possible. Please go through the detailed explanation, detailed job description of each and every job, then only go ahead and apply. Without reading all the requirements, don't apply. And if you are fulfilling at least 60 to 70% of the job requirement, you are always suggested to apply for this role. Okay, so goodbye, guys. We're at the end of the video. We will definitely come up with more job opportunities, more useful learning materials, as well as interview questions in our channel. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe the channel. Love this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.